Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am in my Indian avatar because I'm planning to do mini tutorials for YouTube as well. So today is quite a different video because I have never attempted to do this ever before or speak about it. I do share my views and my reviews on Insta stories, but I never thought of making a video, and so many of you had requested me to make this video on my favorite nail polish colors and brands basically. I have quite a few that I usually depend on because if I'm looking out for a nail polish, I want something that will just take me exactly less than a minute to dry and I'm out of that door. It doesn't chip. It will stay on my hands, basically on my fingernails, for at least more than 3 days because I am hands-on when it comes to cooking, and it has a tendency of discolorization, or it has a tendency of chipping, and I need something that is of very good quality and at the same time will sustain more than 3 days. So yeah, let's not waste any more time because I am not going to show my mug right now, just going to show my fingers. I'm going to be painting my fingernails, showing you my favorite colors and brands and talking much more in detail about it. And if you like this video and you like my content in general, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. It would mean the world to me. It would be very helpful if you could do that. Only if you like me. Alright, so let's start. So first and foremost, I like to massage my cuticles and my nails with this cuticle oil that I made at home itself. This is something that I have been doing every now and then. Since the cuticle oil is nicely massaged onto my fingers, I'm going to go for my second step, and that is a hand cream. You can take any hand cream of your choice. I really love this one from the White Company. I'm just going to take just a little bit. So the cuticle oil, I apply this at night with the hand cream, and the hand cream I apply morning and night, okay? But what I always apply every day is a sunscreen, because the last thing you need is your fingers and your hand to be aged, or to look aged basically. So I'm just taking a sunscreen. This is SPF 50 from the Inky list. Beautiful sunscreen for just $5. And this has a little bit of zinc, and zinc is known to be very good for the skin. And I'm just going to massage this all over my hand. So normally before applying any of my nail polish, I like to apply a base coat. This is the clear coat, okay, from Color Bar. Right over here, I got this in India. This is the nail lacquer, and I really like it because it adds a bit of shine to my nails. And today I'm not going to do any base coat because I have a lot of nail polishes to go through. Another coat that I really like is this Gel Shine 3D from Sally Hansen, which is absolutely beautiful, okay? In fact, you don't have to get only this silver bottle. Sally Hansen makes the best top coats. It's very shiny. It almost gives you like a salon kind of an effect, and at the same time, I just love how long-lasting your nail polish tends to become. And the third top coat I wanted to give a shout out to is this one from nykaa. This is nykaa Matte Power. So basically, this is a top coat that if you want to convert any of your nail polish into a matte nail polish, you don't want that shine on your nail polish, then this is the one that you have to reach out for. Alright, so the first one that I'm starting off with is this unicorn potion from nykaa, okay, since we are on the nykaa topic. And I absolutely love this, you guys. This is called 238 Pink Pony, and I love the pinky iridescent tones that this one has. So it is perfect, you know, for a daytime look, and at the same time, if you are somebody who doesn't like a very stark nail polish, then you can just apply this. What I love about this nail polish is that it applies really smoothly on the fingers, and it gives like a dual toned effect to the finger as well. So as you can see, it just gives that really added shimmer and shine, and it is really lovely, you guys. So if you have an Indian function to attend, and whatever, you know, Indian attire that you're wearing, just give 2 coats of this, and can you see that? It gives such a beautiful sheen to the nails. So that is why this is the first nail polish to make it to the list. Alright, I wanted to show you a few more of my favorite nykaa nail polishes. Nykaa makes some amazing nail polishes. I'm talking about matte nail polishes out here. These 4 are my favorite. Nutcrackers Dream is that perfect nude for our skin tone. It will suit anybody, alright? Whatever that your skin color is, it's going to suit you. Can you see how perfect that one is? And why I love these nail polishes from nykaa, especially the matte ones, guys, is because of how thin the formula is, and it dries down so quickly. So if you are looking out for that nail polish which you just want to apply and you're good to go, like basically that nail polish on the run. You know, with lipsticks you have that My Lips But Better shade, but with this nail polish, this is like My Nails But Better. You know, I really think that they have a winner with this color in particular and this formula in general. The other one that I also like is this one called French Toast, and French Toast is a slightly grungy beigey color. Okay, so it's like almost like a beige nail polish with a slight gray undertone to it. Another one that I also really like, can you see that? How wonderful is this color? It's got that beautiful grayish beigey tones to it. This goes with Western wear, Indian wear, whatever your outfit, any nail polish guys, whatever the outfit is, it just complements it. But I think this is more for people who go to college and for office. Another two colors which are not on your face, but colors that people tend to not reach out to because of their skin tone. I feel that this really complements our skin tone really well. And of all the whites that I have tried, I think the Nykaa matte white is pretty good. Obviously with this matte white, what I have noticed is that you really need to layer it twice to get that really opaque color, but it's really nice, you guys. I really like the way that it just turns into, immediately it turns into this beautiful matte, and that's what I love about a white nail polish when it is matte. I don't like a glossy nail polish. It goes really well with Western outfits. It looks beautiful, but I would say that even if you wear a white kurta pajama, nice silver jewelry, you know, a white nail polish like this will really stand out. And Tender Tulle is such a pretty pink color, you guys. It's so flattering on our skin tone. Can you see that? Can you see how beautiful that is on your nails? It's such a lovely calming color for your nails, and also something that is perfect for Indian wear. I can see, you know, people who love their pastel saris or whatever saris that you're wearing. If you're wearing a chiffon sari, a nice pastel color, you can carry off a color like this really well. Or even for your office wear, if you want a little hint of a color other than your brown tones, then you can definitely go for a color like this. I think of all the pink shades that they have, this one has to be one of their most flattering shade. Alright, so now I want to show you 4 nail polishes that actually scream shadi function events. Okay, look at the colors. Alright, now this one from Kiko might look really submissive compared to how aggressive these colors are. I really like this because you can see that silver gold reflexes coming out of this pink nail polish. With nail polishes, I don't think you really need to spend a lot of money. This lasts for a decent amount of time. I just love the gold reflexes in it, and Kiko makes some really good nail polishes. Can you see Indian shadis with this? I know I can. Okay, now this one from Lotus Herbal Eco Stay. This is in the shade E46 Orange Licious, and this is that on your face metallic orange, and you might be scared about this, but just hear me out. A beautiful orange shade like this that has got a metallic sheen to it. Can you see yourself just wearing this with your Indian outfit for a function? Okay, you can just wear your jewelry, you can wear your rings, and if you have a sari or any outfit that falls under certain colors like beige, cream, black, terracotta, this just makes your hands look beautiful. Now when it comes to Indian functions again, or in general, if you are someone who parties a lot, I feel this color from Sally Hansen, this is 530 Back to the Fuchsia. I feel that this color is stunning, and Sally Hansen and Essie nail polishes are the best in the market. Look at that. Look how beautiful, creamy and gel-like this nail polish is. And I feel for our Indian events, this really complements it well. I love this color. I think it's really stunning. It is not that really girly Barbie pink color. It has that hints of fuchsia, which really complements our Indian skin tone basically. It's very brown skin friendly. Now quickly, let's brush through these colors. Okay, the first one is this amazing, almost purpley violet kind of tones. This comes from Barry M. Barry M makes the best nail polishes from the drugstore, at least here in the UK. Look at that. Just look at that color. So for people who don't like really nudie colors and like that really dark vampy colors, then this is the one for you. Another one that looks so nice with Indian outfits, with Western outfits, Berry Cosmo. Such a beautiful berry color. Lovely, absolutely lovely. So this is the Easy White Brush gel technology, and I do like this because it gives like a gel-like finish, and I love this brick red color. It is rich. I just love the fact that it's another tone. Look at that. It's that earthy tone that will suit our Indian skin tone, and at the same time, if you're looking out for a nice red, is it brown, is it red, is it brick red? I just love the kind of confusion that you get with this particular red shade, and this shade is called Daredevil 17. So if you're looking out for a good nail polish from the collection counter or from the drugstore out here, check out the Daredevil one. Alright, so the next one is as vibrant as my orange nail polish. Something that is not everybody's cup of tea, but I love this aqua green blue color that comes out of this. It's got that beautiful metallic sheen. I feel this looks better with our Western outfits, like if you're wearing jeans or if you're wearing a nice little black dress, or if you're wearing a nice gown. I feel this will look really nice. It's like one of those black nail polishes that people love to carry off with a gown, that grungy look this one gives you. And even if you want to wear this with your Indian outfits, hey, that is completely your call. The third color, like the green, is this metallic blue color. This is the Mirror Chrome from Nyka, and I told you, when it comes to nail polishes, Nyka is winning it, you guys. I love their formula. So this is called Intergalactic Blue, okay, and it is one of those very cosmic colors, and I really love the shine that this has. Now, this is not too harsh like the Kiko one. I feel that if you wear your jeans or you're wearing a nice white dress or Western outfits, this will look really beautiful. It looks like a denim blue with a sheen to it. It's stunning, you guys. And the last one is Bedazzled from Lottie, London. Look at that vibrant red. This is the kind of red that I usually go and reach out for. A red that has got a hint of an orange undertone. And such reds are bright. It's on your face, okay? And I love this, especially for any outfit. A red nail polish, like a red lipstick, really complements our skin tone. It just screams bold and sexy, and I love this nail polish in general. Okay, I don't know if you guys know this. This is the LA Colors. This is in the shade number 11, and LA Colors make some really amazing nail polishes. Be it shimmer, be it glitter, be it glossy or matte. This is value for money because every nail polish of theirs is around 2 pounds, cruelty free, and it's incredible. This color in particular, why I like it is because it's a muted silver color with tiny specks of shimmer. And this is the kind of silver that you can wear even for your office, for daytime. Some people love to wear a nice shimmery nail polish. There's another silver nail polish which is my absolute favorite, and that is from the mother of all nail polishes, and that is nail ink. Nail ink is very, very expensive, you guys, but they really last for a long time. It gives such a beautiful mirrored effect, and the shimmer is not at all gritty, but look at that. How beautiful is that? And if you give a double coating of this, trust me, you guys, sometimes to take it out with a nail polish is also very difficult because of the amount of glitter that it has. It almost gives like a mirrored effect to your nails. So this is my evening go-to color. If I want something that is foolproof, I know that it's not going to chip, and I want that same kind of impact, I go for this beautiful metallic shimmery silver one that almost gives like a mirror effect. This is a stunning nail polish and a stunning color. But my ultimate nude nail polish, my everyday nude nail polish, is this one from Essie. So Essie Street Love and Color are for people who have got brittle nails, basically, because not only do you paint your nails with your favorite color, but at the same time it protects your nails and it hardens it. It is such a brown skin friendly color, such a beautiful lovely pastel shades, perfect for office, for college, for people who do not like some really bright stark colors, or if you have a daughter who wants to start wearing a nail polish but you don't want to give that, you know, red nail polishes and those bright colors, then she can start using this. And I love the shine on this. It's as if it comes with its own top coat and base coat. You know, you can just apply this on your finger and fingernails and you're good to go, you guys. It dries down really quickly and the color is so flattering. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Those are my favorite nail polishes, something that sustains on my fingernails for quite a long time, and at the same time it's just beautiful colors, beautiful formulation. I hope you found this video very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit that red button. I'll see you very soon.